Hey, this is Mapping is Pro with Dr. Harrison. Today we're going to solve a problem involving the use of the geometric sequence formula. So let's go ahead and read this problem. We have a multiple choice problem. It says the first term of a geometric sequence is -5. The common ratio is 3. What is the seventh term? So let's go ahead and write the formula for the geometric sequence. We have a sub n equals a times r raised to the n minus 1. All right, let's talk a little bit about that. So a sub n gives us let me erase that. A sub n gives us the nth term. This is important. And a, that gives us the first term in the geometric sequence. And then r, that gives us the common ratio. Don't confuse this with the arithmetic sequence, okay? Arithmetic sequence is when you have to add or subtract to get to the next number in the sequence. For the geometric sequence, you have to multiply or divide to get to the next number in the geometric sequence. All right, so this is the common ratio for the geometric sequence. All right, when you're dealing with arithmetic sequence, it's the common difference. So we don't want to get those confusing. So we're going to be dealing with, this is our formula right here. So I'm just going to put an asterisk right there. We're dealing with that. That's our formula. All right, so let's see what they give us in the problem. Go ahead and take this information, and we're going to pull the key information out. So we know that the first term in the sequence is -5. So we're going to let a equal -5. What else? It tells us that the common ratio is 3. So the common ratio equals 3. Very good. And they want us to find out what is the nth term. So they want us to find out what is the seventh term. So we need to find that out, okay? So that's our basic information, and we're going to use this information and substitute it in the geometric sequence formula. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and just separate this. This is our key information here that we pulled out. All right. So writing the formula again, I have a sub n equals a times r raised to the n minus 1. Now we're finding the seventh term, so we substitute a sub 7 for the seventh term equals a, which is -5. We got that from there, times r. All right. And remember, just so you know, the common ratio is r, and I'm just going to put r in parentheses there. Right? So that's -5 times r, which is 3, raised to the n, which is 7, minus 1. Now, it's always good to make mention that we know what n is. N equals 7 as well, okay? So, pretty good. So let's check it and make sure we got everything right. We have a sub n for the seventh term is equal to a, which is -5, times r, which is equal to 3, the common ratio. And that is raised, that 3 is raised to the 7 minus 1. All right, we're ready to keep going. So we're going to go ahead and according to order of operations, we have multiplication and exponents. So we're going to simplify the exponent first. That means we get -5. We're not going to change that, times 3. But 7 minus 1 gives us 6. Okay? Now, here we have exponent, and then we have multiplication. We do the exponent again first. So that's going to be equal to -5. We're not changing that. And then 3 to the 6th power is going to give us 729. 3 raised to the 6th power is 729. All right, so then this is our final step. The 7th term, which is what they're asking us for, -5 times 729 gives us -3,645. So let's see if we can find that over here in multiple choice. And we do, -3,645. So G is our correct answer. And this is our final answer. So when we review this, what we did was we made sure that we took time to define each of the variables in this geometric sequence formula. The nth term, a sub n, a equals the first term, r equals the common ratio. And then we wrote that information over here. And then we just went through substituting using the order of operations to get our final answer. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my Patreon page in my video description below. On my Patreon page, you can get access to exclusive math lessons, study tips, live Q&A, and more. See you next time.